In today's fast-paced world, the intersection of Grandma's time-honored recipes and the innovative techniques of modern home cooking presents a captivating contrast. This blend of nostalgia and contemporary culinary practices offers a unique perspective on our relationship with food. By delving into rich culinary traditions while embracing new innovations, we can elevate our cooking skills and deepen our appreciation for the art of home cooking. Exploring Grandma's recipes. Grandma's recipes hold a cherished place in our hearts, preserving family traditions and cultural heritage. These classic dishes not only evoke nostalgia and warmth, but also connect us to our roots. Sharing personal anecdotes related to Grandma's recipe fosters a deep connection, reminding us of the love and care that goes into every homemade meal. Unveiling modern cooking techniques. Modern cooking methods are reshaping the culinary landscape with technological advancements and contemporary trends. These innovations enhance convenience, flavor, and presentation, transforming the dining experience. By comparing traditional and modern tools, appliances, and approaches to cooking, we appreciate the evolution of culinary practices and the efficiency of modernity in the kitchen. Blending tradition with innovation. Discover the harmonious fusion of Grandma's traditional recipes with modern cooking techniques, blending old-school flavors with new-age practices. Showcase creative adaptations of Grandma's recipes using modern methods while preserving their essence, offering a fresh perspective on beloved classics. Encourage viewers to experiment with blending tradition and innovation in their own cooking to enjoy the best of both culinary worlds. Taste Test Challenge Old vs New. Embark on a flavorful journey with a Taste Test Challenge comparing Grandma's timeless recipes with modern dishes. Engage viewers by inviting them to participate, share opinions and preferences. Create an interactive atmosphere during the taste test, exploring diverse flavors, textures, and overall appeal of traditional and contemporary culinary creations. Expert insights. Nostalgia vs innovation. Join culinary experts as they discuss the significance of nostalgia and innovation in home cooking, featuring insights on cultural, emotional, and culinary aspects of Grandma's recipes and modern techniques. These experts encourage a balanced dialogue between traditionalists and innovators, highlighting the importance of preserving culinary heritage while embracing culinary evolution enriches the culinary experience. In conclusion, we've explored the contrast between Grandma's recipes and modern techniques in home cooking, emphasizing the importance of preserving culinary traditions while embracing innovation. Remember the value of honoring the past while welcoming the future in your culinary journey. Subscribe, like, share, and explore more content on our channel to continue your culinary exploration.